I want to do a video on how to build a soft wash system on a budget. A lot of times people are like, man, you gotta have all this stuff, but I'm gonna teach you how to build a soft wash system for under $500. I get asked a lot of times, $530 or 30-gallon tank, and is that a good deal? And I'm gonna say it's not really that great of a deal, because I'm gonna make a way that you can build your own soft wash system on a budget. It's really not that hard. You can do it for under $500, and it can be a system that you can leave on your truck or buy your truck and do that. The first thing is, you can see here, now this is actually 3/4 inch hose. You can do away and get the 5/8 hose. I really don't recommend garden hose. I'm using garden hose today just because I need it 3/4. But you can do this in 5/8, you can do this in 1/2 inch, you can get it all in one go. Because the problem with this here is you have connections like that over there. And the problem with that is it could leak, and now we could have dead grass there. So we're gonna talk about, this is the Gilmore gun right here. This is like $3-4. You got two fittings right here. You got your quick connect, and you got your $7, $10 at Home Depot or places. I'll put a link on all of this for the gun. And this is actually shooting further than any of our other tip sets that we have here. This right here is shooting further than any of our J-Rod tips. It's an adjustable one, so we can adjust it. We have what, maybe $20 right there. We have about $150 in garden hose right now. So $150 in garden hose. This is the secret to keeping us under budget. This is how we stay under budget. Right now, I am actually using a 7-gallon a minute pump, but I could get away with the 5-gallon a minute pump. The 5-gallon a minute pump works just as good. We get about 5 feet less than distance, but we can clean this whole house. I could clean this whole house siding. I could do all the roof with the 5-gallon a minute pump, no problem. So a 5-gallon a minute pump, you can get them for about $150, $200. You might need a couple fittings that go from here to garden hose and here to suction. I'm just using a handy dandy 55-gallon drum. You can get these for like $10, $20, or you could use a trash can. I knew people that put trash can here, and what you're gonna do is, if I got a roof clean up here, I'm gonna fill this container up here, 50% bleach and 50% water. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hose down in there, and I'm ready to go start shooting. You can have a battery. Our battery is right in here. I mean, if you really wanna go cheap, we could pop our hood. Probably would at least have you start the car and run it the whole time, because the last thing you wanna do is do a roof clean and then you run out of battery. So we could actually put this here, get some little short jumpers that we can just wire nut on and put it right onto our battery. So you can see here, this is a trailer light kit from Home Depot or from Tractor Supply. I'll put some links on here. You can see we just put the wire here. So I could actually put this on my truck battery up here in the front, plug it in, and I could have me a soft wash system. I have, all I need is a 3/4 intake. I'm actually going 3/4 here because we were actually testing that 10-gallon, but right here is, you could do this with 1/2 inch, 5/8. I would recommend 5/8. You can get 5/8 garden hose pretty cheap. This is the what's it called? Zero G. It's super duper light, dude. I mean, it is super light. Or you can do the Flexzilla. I've used the Flexzilla. This is the Flexzilla right here on this truck here. Now, that's got the hose reel and all that, makes it nice. So let's break this down. We have a $5 drum. We have $5 worth of suction hose. I believe this kit here is like $10. I believe the hose is $150, give or take, probably less. If you want to do 200 feet, that way we can sit here out on the road. We don't have to worry about, you know, our barrel falling over, killing our grass. We can do everything from the ground here. $200 pump. You can actually get it for, I think you can get the the northern one for 150 bucks, 150, 200 bucks right here. And we're under 500 bucks. The gun, I have less than $5. Again, you can see, well, you turn me on there, put things back on. And I'm gonna just show you how under $500 soft wash system, I don't have reels, I don't have all that, but I could clean a house, because what I could do too is I could actually do another barrel and do it in water. So I could pull it out of the soap and put it into water. And if I'm doing a house wash, I don't need a 6% mix of, 50-50 mix. I could put 10 gallons of soap in, or of SH, and 40 gallons of water. And that'll knock my percentage down. But you can see I'm standing right here on the ground. Look, I'm shooting up and over the house right there. Up and over the house. So, and this is actually more than a 2-story house, because I'm down here where the basement is right here. So this is a way that you can start making money with $500. I can do house washes with this. I can do roof cleans with this. And yes, I could do $300 house washes, $500 house washes. I could do $800 roof cleaning, $1,000 roof cleaning off of this little system here that I've only paid $500 for. When we're thinking of equipment, don't always think that, oh my God, we gotta have this best thing. Now, does things make it easier? Absolutely. Does hose reels make it easier? Absolutely. But you know what? I could go get at Home Depot or Lowe's, or find somebody throwing away an old junk crank one. I could do that too. I'm not saying that good equipment isn't good and needed. I'm just saying this is a way that we can make money. And this is a way that you can make money and start growing your business. Because again, if we take that money of those $800, $1,000 for roof cleaning, and we put money into marketing, then we can buy a nicer rig. But if we go buy a nicer rig and we don't ever put any money in marketing, it does us no good at all. With that said, I will put a link in the description down below where you can go and get all the parts you need for a soft wash system for under $500. So I hope that helps you out. You can go check out pressurewashhelp.com. You can go check out King of Pressure Washing and learn more about pressure washing. And in there, I give you everything you need to know about how to clean a house and not screw up stuff like fishy pond, because bleach and fishy do not go well. So go check out King of Pressure Wash, and there I can teach you how to clean houses, roofs, make money, make a living, and everything you need to do. Hope to see you in my membership soon.